This is my beautiful client for today, and we are starting out with prepping her skin really well. We are using the Embryolisse moisturizer. And then for her eyes, we are using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal eyeshadow palette. For my clients that have very short lashes that are a little hard to work with, I like to put on the mascara using a flat brush, and it makes the job so much easier, and then use a spoolie to comb through. For foundation, I'm using the Face Altier foundation in 1.5 neutral mixed with a little bit of 2 warm, and this came out to be a really great shade for her. For blush, I'm using the Ben Nye Media Pro blush palette in color CR0. Then I'm moving on with some contour. This is the Makeup by Mario contour stick in light. Then I'm going in with some bronzer. This is the Makeup by Mario Color Light Skin Enhancer. We're setting her skin with the loose powder in Laura Mercier in color Translucent. For brows, we are using the Hourglass brow pencil in Soft Brunette. So with this client, every time I would apply one of the lashes, she would blink. So it kind of got to be a glue mess on her lid. But a quick, easy fix is to just spray some makeup remover spray onto a Q-tip and clean up your mess. And then just blend out her eyeshadow again, and it's good as new. I found these new cluster lashes. I just bought them on Amazon, and I really like these ones. They're really soft, very natural. I used size 11 on her. For lips, we are using the Makeup Forever in color C2. For lips, I used MAC. I used 2 shades. I mixed Modesty and Yash together. This came out really pretty. I'm going in with setting her face with the Milk Makeup Setting Spray, and this is the final look.